Episode 2 of the BIBIGO series, another udon noodle pot, and it's the kbbq flavour. You still have the 3 packs, the toppings, the sauce, and the udon noodles. I didn't put much water in there this time. And then 2 minutes in the microwave. The sauce was thick and it kind of looked like jajang sauce, but it didn't smell like it. Add the dry toppings. And then give it a mixy. At first I thought it was jajang flavour, but it smelled sweet. It did taste quite like bulgogi sauce though. It wasn't too bad.